Hello, everybody, and welcome to Mad Useful Crypto, where we bring you crypto information that, of course, is mad useful. And on this episode, we'll be talking about Strong Block. This video is probably going to be for people who are already familiar with the project. It's not really for people who are newer at this project, just because I'll be talking about a lot of concepts and things that if you are already familiar with Strong Block, you'll definitely easily understand. But if you aren't too familiar with Strong Block, you'll kind of need more of going through the basics and a refresher. And I will be dropping a full review on how to actually create a strong node, what a strong node is, and more about this project in general. However, this video still might be for you because I will be still talking about a couple of basic concepts in here that you can wrap your mind around, and even some more advanced topics and some of the things that just came on the new light paper that you're going to want to really understand. So without further ado, let's get underway. First and foremost, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving you any type of financial advice in any way, shape, or form. Consult a tax professional like I do. Consult a tax accountant and a certified financial advisor like I do for myself, because everybody's strategy is different. You got to do what's best for you. And that's why I'm not using this video to show you guys on, hey, guess how much passive income I'm making with all my strong nodes. I'm not even going to talk about how many strong nodes I own in this video. Let's just go ahead and dive right into it. So, of course, there's over 300,000 nodes. This is the total amount, to be exact, of nodes that are created and being rewarded. You earn 0.09 strong for every node that you do have. And the more nodes that you have, of course, you can compound them. It takes 10 strong tokens to make one node. So every strong token that you have, every 10 strong tokens that you do have, you can make one node. The more nodes that you get, of course, that's the more ways that you can compound how much passive income that you could possibly earn. I did have a full chart that I'll probably link in the description towards what the decaying model looks like for the Polygon nodes and how you can see when you could break even. And we'll talk about that a little bit in the video as well. So, actually on the site, if you just come here and click on this YouTube video, it actually explains what Strong is. It's nodes as a service. And nodes actually do help with the blockchain infrastructure and make the blockchain even more efficient. And of course, speeds up a lot of things. So the team is fully doxed. Here you go. You can see David Moss, who is the leader, Brian Abramson, who is the CTO, Corey, and then also Constantine. So if you want to create a node, you come in here, you connect your wallet. It'll have a connect your wallet icon before you can even get in here. You come here to where it says create your node, and then you have the option between creating an Ethereum node, Polygon node, or a Sentinel. This one is going to be interesting when we get into the light paper. So let's actually just dive into the light paper real quick, and let's talk more about that. There's a couple of things that I want to really touch on in the light paper. I'm not really going to go super in depth on the light paper. There's a few things I just want to call your attention to because I want you guys to go ahead and check it out yourself. So, all right, let's check this out, right? Let's skip right to the tapering section. So when the Service 2 smart contracts were released, right, they introduced the tapering model. And that was really originally deployed for Polygon nodes. The number one question that's been on everybody's mind is, what is the decay process completely look like in full detail? So what happens with the tapering model, if you don't know, is that you start off with a higher reward payout than the Ethereum nodes that are on the 1.0 section. Then you'll gradually taper off until you get to a point where they actually break even. So the Polygon nodes start off paying out higher rewards, but then they do eventually break even at a certain point. And like I said, I have that chart that shows you exactly when, based on just having one Polygon node and one strong Ethereum node. And it'll show you the point where they intersect at a break-even point. But what they're saying now, and this is what the guidance that they provided in the light paper on tapering, it wasn't really truly in depth like how the strong community wanted. There's a lot of people on Twitter saying that they really wanted way more information from David and the team. And on AMAs, they've been asking this question verbatim, but this is exactly what was said. This is exactly it. Like, I'm going to just highlight this section. So after break even, let me actually take that off because it makes it a little bit harder to read. After break even, the tapering model converts to a steady, sustainable stream of passive income that tapers gradually over several years to a maximum number of tokens. That's pretty much this entire tapering section, summarized. That was one of the major things that I know a lot of people with strong nodes that are on the Polygon section of things were really concerned about. And when we talk about Polygon nodes, understand that you're not really creating them on Polygon. You're still paying Ethereum gas fees. And let me actually reword that. So they are Polygon nodes, but you are paying Ethereum gas fees. You're not paying the gas fees in Matic. That's just for some clarification on that. So let's also talk about the new token. So they're going to be paying out rewards in the stronger token. And the stronger token, and let's go down to the tokenomics of it. Actually, I'll come back up because this links help you skip to different sections. Let's just talk about the tokenomics. So here's the tokenomics of the actual stronger token. I know people are going to talk about they don't like the name. Yeah, I've heard it all on Twitter so far. I know it's kind of confusing. People wanted them to call it block instead, but they chose to go with stronger as the new rewards token. The original supply, of course, is going to be 10 million. Contract address is not available yet. They're still working on it. It's going to have mint capabilities and also burn capabilities. So then let's continue to go ahead and take a deeper dive, right? So 30%, that's current strongholders. 20% node rewards, 20% validated rewards, 10% marketing, 10% liquidity, 10% community DApp grants. So, I mean, let's just talk about, the evolution of Strong Block itself, right? They're breaking it down into 3 phases. First one, pretty much already completed. Second phase will be introducing the stronger token. Actually, they broke it down into 3 different things, right? People that have strong nodes will earn stronger tokens at a higher rate than people that are actually in the pools. And then also people that are actually holding strong will also gain stronger as well. And it's broken down right here too in the phase 2 of the transition. So nodes will have the highest, stronger award percentage. Pool holders will see the next highest one. And then, of course, anyone holding strong in a wallet will receive a stronger reward. So what they're doing here, David and the team are looking to incentivize people to keep holding strong and not to continue to sell off. This should be a bullish sign for Strong, the token itself, and the price should go up because now they'll be paying out in stronger. NFT holders don't have to really worry about anything. NFTs for the Strong project did see a bump today. And of course, they retain their boost value. So that's really good for NFT holders. And metal NFT holders specifically, if you are an NFT holder, you'll receive a stronger reward, as a stronger award as well. So that's really good. And of course, the NFTs will also be a main component in the Strong chain, which is still coming soon. And I'll show that roadmap that we can try to gauge when Strong chain should be arriving. And of course, phase 3 is when Strong chain will be arriving. And like I said, we'll go over the roadmap and try to gauge when we believe that will be. And maybe guesstimate when we'll see that on a monthly, like what month do we think it will come out? So here are some of the things that are coming, of course, in the phase 3, of course. Strong chain, that's the biggest thing that everybody's been hyped about. marketplace for nodes and the NFTs, and this is looking like it's going to be a pivot away from selling the NFTs on OpenSea, where they're already available right now, and having an internal marketplace for everything that Strong is trying to do. So let's take a quick look at the roadmap. Stronger comes out Q1, so we may be seeing that very, very soon. And the rewards are going to be starting to pay out in Stronger. Entangled nodes are coming out as well. Sizable nodes are coming out as well. Node migration, node transfer, Phantom, and many more when it comes to new protocols. The node marketplace, Strong Chain Pilot, official Strong Chain launch, a DEX ERC20 bridge, nodes as a service migration. If I'm taking my best guess, right? I mean, just look at this timeline. Here's Q1, here's Q4. This has got to be Q3. It's got to be Q3. And where it's at on the roadmap, I would say it's either going to be, I'm just going to say it's most likely that Strong Chain will launch in September. However, that's just my best guess. Sometime in September, Strong Chain will be launching. So, I mean, they just released this on February the 28th. So it's a detailed light paper just talking about everything that has been going on with Strong Chain. Like I said, I'll be doing a bigger, deeper dive into the project, talking about it some more. I just wanted to be really brief and just kind of go over it with everybody that is already a Strong Node maxi, and anybody that really believes in the Strong project, anybody that's looking at the Strong project as a potential thing that they might want to check out and, of course, learn more about. Or, somebody that's new to the system and has heard a lot about Strong, but maybe doesn't know too much about what's going on with it. So definitely check this out, read it, through and through. There's some key takeaways, like I said, I want you guys to really have from this. The tapering thing, we didn't get as much detail as we wanted about it. Hopefully it's something that may get answered soon in the upcoming AMA. When it comes to what the future of the protocol is, we know that it was coming, that we were going to get another token that was going to be the new rewards token. And now we've confirmed that that is Stronger. Strong Chain is coming, and it's definitely looking like it's going to be in Q3. And we're also getting some other things, such as the marketplace for nodes and NFTs, and being able to deal with that. So if you like quality content like this that is mad useful, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification item on your screen so that you can be notified when we drop brand new videos that, of course, are mad useful and contain mad useful information. And make sure to hit that like button because it's so good for the YouTube algorithm, and we really, really appreciate it over here at Mad Useful. We're going to continue to drop more and more alpha on you. Don't worry, I'm going to have a specific NFT series coming out, just giving you guys alpha on all the latest drops and hottest drops in the NFT world if you're interested in NFTs. Thank you guys so much. Make sure to follow us on Twitter as well at Mad Useful, and then also on Instagram at Mad Useful.